Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the interior fuse box from an MK1 Ford Focus. So first of all, you see we have here two 7mm bolts, so we need to unscrew them. Now you can see here we have two pins, so we need to push them towards the fuse box and then push the fuse box upwards, because you see here we have two mounting points on this metal piece. And now all we have to do is cut this zip tight and press all those plastic buttons to release the wires or looms. And this is the last one, so I push the button here downwards and push the loom. Now it's very important to mark each wire from where it was pulled, so it will be much more easier when you assemble it to know which one goes where. So there we go. This is how you remove the fuse box from MK1 Ford Focus. Thank you very much. If you need more parts for a Ford Focus, please contact us. The email is in our description below. If the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos on how to disassemble Ford Focus parts, please subscribe. Thank you very much.